people said is true. You must do unto others as you'd have them do to you.
You've got to just do unto others. We're all sisters and brothers. Do unto others as you'd have them do to you. You've got to just do unto others. We're all sisters and brothers. Do unto others as you'd have them do to you. You've got to just do unto others. We're all sisters and brothers. Do unto others as you'd have them do to you.
Well, a man can go to college and still be a worthless fool. What good is a handful of knowledge if you don't know the golden rule? When someone too white gets stuck in the mud, help push them to the barn. Or someday when you walk and get stuck, you'll be there till the judgment hour.
You've got to just do unto others. We're all sisters and brothers.
Oh yeah.
Do unto others as you'd have them do to you.
When you climb up to success, don't stop the people on the ground. 'Cause for the world your love gets turned.
When you say look at it,
Oh, when someone tells a gospel, keep it locked up on the shelf. 'Cause you can't clean up the people and expect keep clean yourself.
Do unto others. We're all sisters and brothers. Do unto others as you'd have them do to you.
You've got to just do
Unto others. We're all sisters and brothers. Do unto others as you'd have them do to you.
my sister,
Have them do to you.
my brother.
Have them do to you.
You have them to you. Bram Jubileum, man. Been too easy to stay away. Excuses for every day that I ran from you. Looking the other way. Afraid what you might say, what I have to do. But when I stop running